Today's menu, no bake chicken pot pie. But first, the Bible verse of the day. Proverbs 15:3. The eyes of the Lord are in every place, keeping watch on the evil and the good. Amen. And now, let's get to our ingredients. We're going to start with a pound of chicken, shredded or chopped. We got this from the whole chicken that we cooked recently, and if you want to see a video on how we do that, you can check the link at the end of the video. You can also use canned chicken, just strain it and it will work as well. We're going to use a 15-ounce can of mixed vegetables, strained, and we're using 2 cans of cream of chicken at 10.5 ounces. You're going to want between 20-22 ounces. That will be fine. A sleeve of saltine crackers, and our seasoning mix is going to be 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of thyme, quarter teaspoon of sage, eighth teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of rosemary. You may notice that we are using our rosemary salt. If you want to learn how to make that, that's in our cooking a whole turkey video. Just ratioed salt and rosemary. With that, it's going to be quick and simple, fast, just as we always do here. In with a can, in with the second can. Now we will give these a little bit of a rinse. Straight in with your seasonings. Followed by your strained mixed vegetables. Then in goes the chicken. We're going to give that a nice stir. Get everything combined. And you do want to add about a half a can of water to your mix and get it all stirred. We're going to put our stove top to medium. If you have a lid, cover it with a lid. If not, just keep an eye on it. Regardless, you're going to want to stir it every couple minutes until it comes to a nice bubbling boil. And we'll be back after this commercial break.
On the next episode of Coffee Talk, the set gets an upgrade.
Have you seen the new mic?
No, I didn't notice the giant microphone sitting in front of my face.
Can't imagine you can see anything after the bakery incident.
It was my muffin. I paid for it.
It was delicious.
You see here, we've got a nice little bowl and bubbling boil. And you just want to test it. And if you feel like it's hot enough, which I know that it is because I've tasted it, that's pretty much it, folks. You just get all your ingredients mixed up, get that flavor sealed in, bring it to a nice heat, and nothing left to do but to give you a taste test. Look at that. Beautiful consistency. All those veggies and that chicken. And all you do from there is top it with your saltine crackers. And Squatch and I will put a nice little layer on the top, and we'll eat that layer and then add crackers as we go on. You eat it however you choose. We'll give you a quick little taste test. And as always, ladies first, we're going to give Squatch a bite that's not too hot. And I'm going to finish that bite. Wow. It's so good. So quick and simple. If you love pot pie like we do, and you don't always have time to make the thing from scratch, dive into this. You're going to love it. We appreciate you being here. Praise Jesus' holy name. See you on the next one.
You know what time it is.
Like, share, and subscribe.
You never know what's going to happen.
And you don't want to